Interesting changes. That's JD Sports, which also used to be next door to it. Used to be Next, which currently isn't open. WH Smith's isn't there. It seems to be over the other side now. Let's have a walk through. So now I've got the Bookshop, which I think we spent a lot of money in there. Over there. And looks like WH Smith's is downsized. Yeah, I'd say it's about a fifth of the size it was. A lot of changes. Which just means that clothing wise, went a lot there, because where Kurt Geiger is, that used to be Victoria's Secret. Oh, and Wetherspoons looks to be expanding or moving. Seems to be further. Yeah, it looks like they're expanding Wetherspoons. Someone's got Giraffe, because that's where I'm going for some ribs. Yeah, lots of changes.